Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing the iPhone 12 1-month review. So I had this phone since early December and I'm going to tell you my overall thoughts and opinions about it. Now number one, I came from a Google Pixel 3a. My videos on this, I did business, I did everything for practically about a year with it since it came out. It's an amazing business phone. I miss so much about it. The camera was amazing. However, since I'm doing YouTube basically full time now, I had to upgrade my video as well as my RAM and editing basically, and I decided to get it. I got the blue variant. Overall story of how I switched, I still use this as my video and daily phone. I just use this. I got the 64 gig. Anyways, this is the box. I'm just gonna do a small opening of it just to show you. So as you can see, super small box. That's pretty much all it came with. That's literally everything it came with. Came with one Apple sticker as well. Charging cable, which was lightning to Type-C. You'll be able to fast charge your device. So there's no Type-C adapter, but I mean, I already have a few, obviously, because I'm a tech reviewer. But for people that never ever had one before, they have to spend an extra $10 to $20 just to buy one. So that sucks. Very nice phone. We're gonna go ahead and roll some B-roll of the phone right now. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, really cool. It's blue. I have a nice case over it. This is the Supcase Exo series case, and you can get a link in the description. I also have a matte screen protector on the front, which helps with no smudges, no glare. The only thing is it lowers the quality of the screen. Now the screen itself is really good without the screen protector. It looks amazing. I'm probably gonna switch back. So we're gonna go back to our Pixel 3a. So this is it. One thing I miss is the fingerprint sensor, so there's no fingerprint sensor. Face ID for the iPhone sucks. You can't use it really at nighttime unless it's super bright, which I don't like. It's my first time having Face ID. I don't like it at all. It's annoying. I do not like Face ID. Simple. Like, this is an easy solution. Put it on the back or put it on the Apple logo, and then just, it's way faster, or have options at least, like Face ID, fingerprint, or in fingerprint display. Something like that. That would help out so much. So that's one thing I really miss. Another thing is the always on display. I really miss this feature because whenever I need to look at the time, for whatever reason, just glance at the screen and it will tell me the time, my notifications, as well as my charge. One thing I also really miss. Well, there's hundreds of things. I don't want to do a comparison between iPhones, so I'm not going to do that. But basically, those are a few. I'm not going to list them. As you can see, there's two lenses here. One's a wide and one's an ultra wide. I do not use the ultra wide, so that's another downside, is they should have used the telephoto. It would have helped with portrait, unless it's the Pro model, of course. Overall, I only use this for video. I don't really take pictures as much, and if I do, I'll just use my Pixel. The screen itself is really good. I like that they switched to OLED. 5G, I haven't really fully tested it. It's okay. I got probably around 100 or 300 in one area for like probably a minute, and then it went away. But it was really pretty good actually. Don't get it just for the 5G. I recommend you guys get it for, if you have an 11 and you're gonna switch to the 12, don't do it. Wait till the 13. I recommend always switching every 2 years. That way you have real upgrades. Speed, really fast. No 120 hertz screen though. No 90 hertz, no nothing. But it is fast. Charging speed is really fast in the iPhone 12. It charges from 0 to 100% in about an hour. I would say 40 to 50 minutes. It's pretty fast. Battery life, definitely an upgrade compared to my Pixel 3a and any other phone I tried. From 8 to 9 hours, which is really good. I've never had that much. The sound quality when watching videos and editing and doing all that stuff, it was a little muffled and sounded weird at first, but with the recent update, it actually did fix that for me. And really good bass actually. Good for the speaker. Wireless charging / magsafe. I don't use it. I use wireless charging, but I don't use magsafe. I really do appreciate the new glass that Apple is using for the front of the display. They call it ceramic shield, even though it's basically a different version of Victus 9. It's basically Gorilla Glass Victus, but it is really tough. I've dropped it once with the screen protector. I dropped it once and it didn't break, and it was from a really big height on stone. So yeah, overall, that's my thoughts and opinions. Should you buy it? Yes. If you've never had an iPhone, or you're coming from anything lower than a 10, 100% buy it. No, if you have an iPhone 11, have an iPhone 11 Pro. Don't upgrade, just wait. This is an early beta for 5G. It's going to be really expensive. That's why this phone was $900, which is crazy. So really expensive just for 5G enabled. You're missing out a lot of good features that should be there, like 120 hertz or 90 hertz, tons of stuff. But overall, I think it's really good for what I'm using for, especially camera, video, editing, browsing web, YouTube for tech research. Yeah, if you guys want to see a camera comparison between the Google Pixel 3a and the iPhone 12, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I'll do a camera comparison. 3a though, king of cameras, 110%. I've already seen a lot of comparisons between the 4a and this, the 4a and this one as well. And this one is close to the 4a. This is better than the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera. So theoretically, this camera should be either better or close to the iPhone 12 camera, especially when taking portraits. The portrait should be 110% better. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and of course, do subscribe for more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.